All right, I'm trying to figure this out, and I just am having a hard time figuring this out. It says you're given y equals f1x, a transverse wave that moves on a string that ends and is fixed in place. So the string is fixed. As the problem begins, the wave is moving to the right. Velocity is 1 meters per second. Consider the image of the wave reflected about the fixed point in the following diagram. The image will be moving to the left at v equals -1. See, now this is what I don't understand. Is this thing just as it is moving, or is each point of this going to hit this and then reflect back? So in other words, if this is the point here, is it going to go 1, 2, 3 and end up, and then it reflects, so it's going to end up down here at -0.5. So I don't know, it's very confusing to me. What is the shape of the wave on the string after 3 seconds? So here's what I did to solve it. I'm not sure what's going on here. Again, is this thing going to move, past this fixed point? That's a fixed point. Or is that just showing as a reflection what's happening with this? So I just took each point, and if it hit 5, I reflected it back. And so it's going to, from 2, this is going to happen. Because from 2 it goes 3, 4, 5. It's going to hit 5. So each one of these points. So in other words, this point 5 is going to start at 4, 3, 2. I'll start it there. And I'm going to draw this as lines. So it goes to 2, and then it goes over 1, over 1, and then it went down, but it's going to reflect, so it goes up, then over 1, then it went up 2, so it's going to go down 2, and then it goes over 2, and that's it. That's all that part does. That's the only part that reflected. Now, I've got the rest of it that's just going to move over as is. So it's going to start here. This point is going to go 1, 2, 3. So now I'm just going to redraw it over here. It goes, I'm going to make lines here, down to 2, then 1 over, then up all the way back to 0. Whoops, I need a new line there. Up all the way back to 0. And then it goes straight, it's at 0. So here at 4, from 4 to 4.5, it's going to be -0.5 plus -2. So from 4 to 4.5, it should be at -2.5. Well, 1 is out, not at the right place. 5 is out. 2 is good. 6 is out, it's not at -2.5 from 4 to 4.5. 7 is out. 3 is out. 4 is good. 8 is out. 9 is out, 10 is out. Don't go far down enough. And now, is it 2 or is it 4? Well, I'm going to zoom in again. Here at 3 to 3.5, it should be at 0.5 because there's nothing that's not at 0 of this part of the wave that just moved over. So from 3 to 3.5, it should be at 0.5. And from 3 to 3.5, it's at 0.5. 2 has that. 4 does not. So that's why I picked the answer 2.